Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between Infinix Note 5 and the Realme 1. Now before we get started, these are the specifications of both phones. Infinix Note 5 sports a MediaTek Helio P23 processor with Mali G71 MP2 GPU, while Realme 1 sports a Helio P60 processor with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now purely based on raw performance, Realme 1 is definitely better, but let's see how they perform. By the way guys, I'm using the 6GB RAM variant of Realme 1 as that's the only one I have right now. Now for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, surprisingly there isn't a huge difference between both phones. Sometimes Infinix was faster, sometimes Realme 1 was faster. So I hate to say this, but for this round, it's a tie. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they're still in memory. If they're in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how they perform. In the memory management round, Realme 1 kept more number of apps. That's to be expected as it has 6GB of RAM. So guys, for the final gaming speed test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. I'm just gonna fast forward it a bit to make it quick. Now finally, while opening games, Realme 1 was noticeably faster. Now for some reason that felt too satisfying. So guys, to conclude, Realme 1 is definitely better in terms of performance and gaming performance, even in terms of memory management, when compared to the Infinix Note 5. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag #GreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.